Okay guys, I'm excited about today's video because this is the opportunity that all the beginners were waiting for. We finally have a social media, a new social media that is promising. And best thing about new social media is they always have a simple algorithms, which means you can easily go viral. So if you make 3 or 4 viral posts, you can easily get tens of thousands of new followers. Now, people who manage to catch Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at the early moments, they actually now have millions of followers and they're making tens of thousands of dollars every month. So if you jump in right now in the new social media that I'm talking about in today's video, you can now probably get thousands and thousands of new followers, and later you will be probably making tens of thousands of dollars every month totally free. And the name of that new social media is Threads. And yes, Mark Zuckerberg made that new social media just to spite Elon Musk, but we don't care. It is between them. It's not on us. Okay, so we just wish to make money from that new social media, and we have a great opportunity to do exactly that. To make money, to make our profiles on Threads, and to start getting thousands and thousands of followers that we will later convert in buyers, and we will be making lots of money from that new social media. And Threads already has more than 100 million users, which means we have already a good opportunity to make money, because even though they have more than 100 million users, there is still not much competition, and competition is still not that strong. So to get that social media, to get Threads, what you need to do, you need to go on Google Play Store if you are using Android like I do, or you can go on Apple Store if you are using iPhone. And you need to install Threads app, Instagram app on your phone, just like I did. As you can see, I already installed this app. Now after that, you need to register. Registration is really simple. Literally all you have to do is just log into your Threads account with your Instagram account. And also another good thing is, if you already have a few thousand followers on Instagram, you can invite those people to start following you on Threads as well. So after that, you need to actually go on Threads. And this is how it looks. As you can see, this page actually looks lots like a Twitter. It's actually, like I said, it is between Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. So this looks like a Twitter, but when you go on your home page, on your Threads page, here you can see it looks like Instagram. You need to add your bio. That is important. You need to include your main keyword in the title. Now to do that, you can simply go here on edit profile and you can edit your profile. So I wish to edit my bio, so I will simply click here on bio and I can add my bio. And like I said, optimization is important on Threads as well. So I already did that, so I will simply go out. And here you can see I already made few posts and I already have 29 followers, and I didn't invite anyone on this page. And I already have 29 followers. And I created this page 3 days ago. And here you can see I made some posts. Also, here you can see you have option to go on Instagram, so you can switch easily between Instagram and Threads. All you have to do is just click here on this Instagram icon and you will be switched to Instagram. Also on your Instagram page, you will have on the same place icon to switch on Threads. And when you go here on homepage, here you can see posts from people that you are following. Here you have a search page, and to make a post, all you have to do is just click here, and now you can make post. You can start typing your post, or you can simply click here and you can upload a video or an image, and you can just click here on post and you will make a post here on Threads. Now there is one big and really important difference between Threads and Instagram. So let me just go back here on my home page here, and when I scroll here you can see you can share links here on Threads, and those links are clickable. So if I click here, it will take me to this website. Like I said, as you can see, it's taking me to this website. You can add direct links, you can post clickable links here on Threads. Doesn't matter how many followers you have. So let me just go back here because I don't want to go here. Like I said, you can add clickable links on your Threads page no matter how many followers you have. And if you have, let's just say 100,000 followers, now just imagine how many people, how many visits, totally free visits you can get from Threads. And you can use it to promote your blog, your website, your mailing list, to promote your product, to promote your affiliate product, your e-commerce store or whatever you want. With just 100,000 followers here on Threads, you can make a lot of money. If you have more than 1 million followers, you can make literally tens of thousands of dollars every year, totally free with Threads. All you have to do is just focus on making as best as possible posts. So how can you do that? Well, simply go on Instagram and find the influencers in your niche and try to recreate their best posts. Chances are their best posts will work as well on your Threads page, because those are mostly same people who are on Instagram. So your post that you made based on the post of that other influencer will probably work, and it will probably go viral. And like I said, all the new social media, they have simple algorithms, and it is really, really easy to go viral. Now, for now, hashtags doesn't work here on Threads. As you can see here, these hashtags are not clickable, they don't work. So you don't have to use hashtags because, like I said, well, they are useless here on Threads. But later, I am guessing hashtags will work on Threads as well. So what you need to do, like I said, just focus on making as best as possible posts. Try to make viral posts, and you will go viral because they have simple algorithm, and you will start getting thousands and thousands of followers, and you will start making money for free just by using Threads. Later, I will make another video showing you exact method that you can use to actually make money with Threads. For now, this is enough. This is just introduction. This is just to tell you that you need to jump in right now into this social media if you wish to start making money, because it is on the beginning. And if you jump in right now, you can in 2 or 3 years have, let's just say, 3 or 4 million followers if you do everything correctly, and you can start making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every month totally free. So this is how you make money online with Threads. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.